Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Idol's Guide to Fall, chapter 6. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the group. Right now, they're taking a photo shoot. The director said it was very good. Be more happy. Look at them with the costume. As cute as that, well, definitely. The result is good. Right now, everyone seems working hard. The director said, very good, you can take rest. After filming so much photo, everyone's get tired. Everyone needs to rest. Right now, Wang Shu said, sister, don't you usually teach me to pay more attention to the details of the relationship between the member? Wang Shu said, huh? Definitely, she was surprised by her. I can guess the relationship between Sishi and Xingting. It looks like it's always a little noisy and a little noisy. Hey, watch the ball. Don't make trouble. Well, it seems that everything is fine. Now, the two of them are smiling. As a result, he turned his head and reconciled. Well, Wang Shu, she is really cautious. Right now, she's seen a lot of things. But for Windy, two of them are happy friends. The more noisy, the more better. It's not normal when it's not arguing. Well, Wang Shu said, oh, definitely, she really got curious. What about the two of them? In the next group, Teacher Windy and Teacher Wang Shu are in place. Oh, it turns out the two of them are going to play right now. Let's go. It's time for us. It's time for the photo shoot of the two of them. Well, looking at Windy, she looks really gorgeous. That look and aura, of course, she looks really stunning. Teacher Windy imagined that would come to a completely unfamiliar place. Hey, yes, that's it. Then, meet up with Miss Wang Shu. Oh, what a good play they needed to portray. Let's see. Turns out the two of them is really good at acting. Looking at Wang Shu, she looks really pretty. Seen by Windy like that, of course, it's like she was in trance. Seeing Wang Shu on that cute costumes. Right now, Windy. The play, she moved closer to Wang Shu. Now, looking at the two of them, aura is really matched to each other. Now, it was Wang Shu. You get closer now. In a low voice, sister, try to wrap around my waist. It will be better. Oh, that was cool. Turns out, Wang Shu, Windy, really did it. She really did closer. Well, definitely. On this time, it seems that they're really magical. Two of them are really closer to each other. Wang Shu, looking at her. Windy was looking at her also. Good, this shot is so beautiful. Try to get closer, hold your head. Well, definitely. They really look much together. The director said it was very good. The two teachers keep it up. The vibes, the aura. It was really awesome. Everyone seems to be praising, right? Wrong, the relationship between the two captains is not bad. Wang Shu seems to like Sister Windy very much. Why suddenly, this girl seems to be upset? Well, she go out. I go out to breathe. But it's almost time for us to go wrong. Well, definitely, she really jealous. Wang Shu is getting closer to Windy. Or something like that. She walked outside. She did not notice that there's someone hiding behind that bush. Well, that was bad. Always a black fan. It's lurking around. You should be really careful. Now, it was right. There's a black fan. It's gonna take photos of her. Well, this is not good. Black fan is always wrong. Right now, she's holding a fan. Well, the camera seems to be focusing on her. Definitely, Black fan will send these photos outside. Spread it all over the media. Meantime, why are you still here? Block the camera. Well, Black fan seems to be worrying. Now, it really makes sense. She really saved her. Sister Bai has explained that there must be a Yuki squatting outside, pretend to be coquettish. We have to go in quickly. Well, definitely, there's someone always following them. And she was right. Now, she took that away. Well, probably, they really need to be careful. Also, to be worried all the time. Someone or something always gone after them. Two of them finally went inside again. Well, this is good. The black fan has been black. Also, right now, photoshoot of the two queens is almost done. As an idol, how can you be so photographed smoking and electronic cigarettes are not allowed? Well, definitely right now she's been scolded. Thanks to her, she's been safe, right? Now is an important period of our combination. We should all do pay attentions. Nothing can be negative face influence, okay? Well, it turns out this girl is really good. She's really kind-hearted. The girl said sorry. Well, definitely, since she was saved, of course, she can be thankful. The relationship of the two of them is getting better. This partnership will be long. So the coordination and misunderstanding is really important to the two of them. Well, try using this to quit smoke. Definitely. She has some idea. Let's hope it will be better. Don't worry, I will keep it for you and not to tell anyone. And this is a little secret between us. Oh, that secret. I really like that. Well, definitely. They're being closer to each other. Come on, we have to photograph us. Well, right now, things getting better. Thanks to the misunderstanding. Now, it's been sold. Turns out she really gave her a lollies. Definitely, it really suits her. Kind of sweet thing. Really forget. Taking a cigar. Have to quit smoke. I haven't noticed that the little man in the group has gradually grown up now. Because she really think well. Said to her, coming. Two of them. Being awkward. Right now, they're getting close to each other. Well, the group is really getting better. After working tirelessly, everyone seems to get tired. Everyone backs to the dormitory. Well, they really need to take rest. More of them are really tired. Now, look at them. It's like a tired paralysis that been hit all of them. Everyone seems to be exhausted. Look at them. They really look tired. Exhaustion can see on the faces. I'm so tired today. I hope the MB will show good looking effect. Don't worry, the company will check it out. Everyone seems to be worried, but of course, really work hard today. I have a good news and a bad news. Which one do you want to hear first? Oh, everyone seems to be energetic. All of them, in an instant, have an energy. Listen first, my exhausted body couldn't help but hear the bad. Oh, let's see. Oh, I see. She really chose the bad things first. She has a good point, right? Company has won the debut stage. For us, at the time, it is 3 days later. Yeah, everyone seems to be happy. But, right now, the stage is outdoors. Definitely, it was really exhausting. Performing outdoors is really exhausting. Also, it was really tiring. It was the heat and the crowd. Well, that's really the bad news, right? Everyone seems to be sad. Really know that it was really not good. About the good news, right? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!